Our Bushwacker Trail Armor Fender Flare Delete Kit delivers maximum tire clearance, regardless of lift, wheel, or tire size, by completely eliminating the factory fender flares and replacing them with form-fitting covers. No longer will you cringe at the sounds of rubbing and scrubbing as the soundtrack for your off-road adventures. Without fenders limiting the flex of your Jeep, you can use your tire's entire track and your suspension's full travel to their greatest advantage. You'll be climbing and clawing over obstacles like never before. Precision molded to precisely fit the void left by the removal of the fenders, our Fender Delete Kit is made from molded TPO and are virtually indestructible. Our kit gives your Jeep a whole new chiseled profile that looks at home on the trail and turns heads at traffic lights. With a rugged design that conceals all the areas that would otherwise be left exposed, your rig can sport an original equipment level of finish. Plus, it really highlights your wheel and tire combo. We even keep your Jeep legal by incorporating turn signals. We are so confident in the quality, we back them with a limited lifetime warranty. To find out more about Trail Armor Fender Flare Delete Kit, visit bushwacker.com.